Welcome to 15 Dowsett Close, Yorkeys Knob. I'm Vanessa Robinson from Bell Property Cairns. This stunning property features uninterrupted north-facing views all the way past Double Island. Offering unparalleled views and a relaxed coastal lifestyle, this outstanding property encapsulates the essence of its unique location. Spanning 3 generous levels, covering over 350 square metres under roof, the home provides the bonus of dual living with a large self-contained guest flat. Featuring spacious open-plan living and a deck that wraps around 2 sides of the upper level, the home is appointed with quality contemporary finishes throughout. Sitting proud with a rare uninterrupted aspect that can't be built out, the serene ambience and endless views of the ever-changing landscape allows you to feel like you're living on your own private island. Offering supreme flexibility for extended families, dual income Airbnb opportunities or live-in guests and carers. The high-quality concrete construction and the winning combination of extreme privacy and views, sheltered by the knob, make this residence one of the most desirable locations on the northern beaches. Truly a signature property.